The 2026 Porsche Motorhome is more than simply an RV. It is simple to recognize this automobile as a distinctive sort because to its curved carbon fiber bodywork. From the instantly recognizable headlamp shape to the smooth, pop-out door handles, its aerodynamic, low-slung profile and distinctive Porsche design language are on full display in its stunning appearance. This is a performance, not merely a display. A strong, all-electric powertrain with 2 motors under the body generates an incredible 950 horsepower. This luxurious home on wheels can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an amazing 4.9 seconds thanks to the swift torque of the powerful EV system. With the speed and economy you would anticipate from a Porsche, this campervan delivers on its promise of adventure thanks to a new solid-state battery. You are immediately immersed in a world of cutting-edge technology as soon as you enter the cockpit. Along with a 360-degree autonomous driving interface, the dashboard has a single, sweeping OLED monitor that shows your speed and remaining range. Based on the 918 Spider, the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel features integrated navigation and media systems. Without ever taking your hands off the wheel, you may use voice commands driven by AI to control the living area, locate yourself, and change the temperature. Even the longest drives seem effortless thanks to the driver's seat's complete electronic adjustability and the massaging sports seat. A basic luxury gem outside the cockpit is the living room. High-tech smart glasses that can be covered for privacy or adjusted to provide a panoramic view of your surroundings adorn the interior walls. A dining table that effortlessly folds into the wall and a sofa that electrically retracts to free up additional floor space are 2 examples of modular furniture. Natural wood on all surfaces, brushed metal, and soft vegan leather create a luxurious and peaceful ambience. A cutting-edge sound system turns the whole RV into a private performance area, and motorized cabinets and hidden compartments keep the area clutter-free. The master bedroom provides a peaceful retreat for when you need to relax. In a quiet spot is a king-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress. The bedroom's soundproof walls guarantee a restful and comfortable night's sleep. A 55-inch OLED screen at the foot of the bed is ideal for viewing movies at night since it can be retracted. When the smart glass windows are in the starlight mode, a realistic night sky is projected onto the ceiling, providing a calm atmosphere. The RV's high-tech sophistication is most noticeable in the bathroom. A large walk-in shower's temperature, pressure, and even steam function may be precisely controlled using a computerized control panel. The vanity has an illuminated mirror with built-in facial recognition, and the toilet is a heated, self-cleaning device. Each surface is made of a smooth, seamless composite material that embodies Porsche's unique combination of functionality and style. Not only is it visually stunning, but it is also quite easy to clean and maintain. Because it combines design and functionality, the galley kitchen is a chef's paradise. A small, deep basin sink with a retractable 2-burner induction cooktop and an intelligent faucet sits beneath a sleek black granite countertop. The full-sized freezer and refrigerator go nicely with the cabinets. Combining a microwave and convection oven makes it simple to make delectable meals, and creative storage solutions keep all of your tools and utensils accessible but out of sight. The Porsche Motorhome's kitchen is the perfect illustration of how elegant style can be appreciated without compromising comfort.